Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Stay safe, stay healthy. If you are watching my video for the first time, please do subscribe and share. Today I am sharing miraculous benefits of rice water for your skin and hair, which is very cost effective with so many benefits naturally. I will share more benefits and the usage while making the rice water. So stay tuned till the end. So for this I have taken this organic rice. A small bowl of rice is needed for this, and wash it thoroughly 2 times so that the dirt will be removed. And once the water is rinsed off, take the drinking water. 2 bowls of water is required to soak the rice. Many Korean and Japanese beauty products, they use this rice water for the glossy finish and the instant glow. Use only organic white rice or brown rice also, you can use it for more benefits. For instant use, you can also soak for 1 hour and then use this rice water. Otherwise, you can boil the rice and take the water from it, which is a thick liquid. We can also call it ganji. That also you can use. But today I am just sharing more benefits with the fermented rice, which is more beneficial and also gives more results. After 1 hour, I am keeping few water for the instant use, and the remaining water I am using it for the fermentation. So for the fermentation, you just take a glass vessel or an airtight container. Keep the rice and the water inside the glass container and air tighten it and store it for 24 to 48 hours so that it will get fermented. Fermented rice water is rich in probiotic or good bacteria, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, vitamin B, biotin, which is good for hair and skin, vitamin E, and it has a yeast called Pitera, which works for anti-aging and youthful skin textures. After 24 hours, our fermented rice is ready. So I am removing the rice from it and filtering the water. So this I am using it for hair, and also I will show you with other ingredients how you can make the ice cubes with it and apply on your skin. For the skin, it works like a cleanser basically. Also it tightens your pores. It has lot of nutrients like vitamin E and anti-aging properties. Let's make the ice cubes from it. So for this, take the ice cube tray, and I'm adding rice water also with other natural ingredients like depending on your skin texture, you can take different variety of natural ingredients. I have taken aloe vera, rose petals, mint leaves, tomato, potato, lemon. Also you can add like honey, green tea leaves also you can use. Each item make a paste like tomato puree, potato, mint paste, and aloe vera, and rose petals and lemon juice also you can take. So in the ice cube tray, I am making few plain rice water cubes which can use as a cleanser. The remaining portions I am adding half portion of rice water, also the remaining natural ingredients, because different skin textures you can use different ways. So tomato can be used if somebody has a pimples and spots. Same way like lemon, mint also works if somebody has a large pores, oily skin texture. Rose petal is like a cleanser, also gives the glossy finish instantly. Aloe vera also removes the dark spots. So depending on your skin texture and your current situation, you can use all these extra other ingredients. So I have used potato, crushed potato, which removes the dark spots and also the dark circles under your eyes. So this can be added half portion, and the other half portion is use the rice water. So like this I have used this ice cube tray with all the other ingredients. Like lemon also I am adding 1 cube or 2 cubes I am making with this honey, and aloe vera also. I am crushing the rose petals which can be added to the rice water. This can be used as a cleanser and also toner, which cleanses your pores and gives the instant brightness on your face. So depending on your skin texture, you can use these variety of ingredients. Otherwise, use the plain rice water itself. So freeze this tray for few hours so that we can use these ice cubes. Meanwhile, we talk about this rice water, how we can use it on the hair. So take this spray bottle and fill the fermented rice water in it. It works like a conditioner, reduces the frizziness of hair and improves the hair elasticity. So also it has the proteins which will improve the hair growth also. So use it once in a week. How you can use this? After shampooing your hair, spray this rice water gently, massage it on the scalp and leave it for few minutes and then wash it with the normal water. It gives that instant shine on your hair. So the rice cubes are ready, you can see. So these ice cubes you can refreeze it for 1 week. Also the fermented rice water you can store it for 1 week in the refrigerator. So this is the plain rice water cube. I am using this rice water cube with the rose petals. So you can see my skin is dry, but when I applied this for a few seconds and massaged it, you can see the instant moisture texture on my skin. It's very soft and smooth also. Mine is a very dry skin, so I'm applying the rose petal ice cubes, which is cleansing my face at the same time giving the instant look. So gently massage in a circular motion and rinse it with the water. You can see the difference. Hope you liked the video. For more videos, please do like, share, subscribe and comment.